Good morning, students. Today, students, we will do chapter number 7, fraction exercise 7.6. In this module, you will learn how to add the numbers of fraction when denominators are not same. Clear? So, let's start with it. Question number 1 is solve. Means you have to solve, and now see in A part 2 upon 3 plus 1 by 7 means denominators are not same. So what you do, you will find out the LCM of it. Clear? So 3 and 7 does not come in any table, so we will multiply them directly and their LCM will be 3 sevens are 21. Now you write 21 down. Now you see in 3 table 21 come at 7s are. So you multiply 2 with 7, answer come 14 plus 7 table 21 come at 3s are. So 1 multiply 3, answer come 3. Answer is 14 plus 3 is 17 by 21. Clear? Now we do B part. B part is 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. Now you have to find out the LCM of it. How you find LCM? Now these 10 and 15 come in 5 table also. So you find out the LCM like this manner. 5 table 10 come at 2s are and 3 table 5 3s are 15. So its LCM will be what? 5 into 2 into 3. So LCM is 30. Clear? Now you write 30 down. You will see in 10 table 30 come at 3s are. So you multiply 3 3s are, it will come 9. Now in 15 table 30 come at 2s are. So 7 2s are 14. Now you add them, answer is 23 by 30. Like this manner you have to do all the parts. Now we do C part. Your C part is 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7. Clear? Now see. 9 and 7 does not come in any table, so the LCM will be 63. We can multiply directly. Now you write 63 down. 9 table 63 come at 7s are. 4 7s are 28. 7 table 63 come at 9s are. 2 9s are 18. Answer come 46 upon 63. Clear? Now we do D part. D part is 5 by 7 plus 1 by 3. As you know, 7 and 3 are the prime number that does not come in any table, so you multiply them. 7 3s are 21. Clear? Now you write 21 down. 7 table 21 come at 3s are. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 table 21 come at 7s are. So answer will be 7 plus 5 is 22 by 20. This is the answer of D part. Clear? Now we do E part of it. Now E part is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Again 5 and 6 does not come in one table, so you multiply them. So the LCM will be 30. 5 6 are 30. Now you write 30 down. 5 table 30 come at 6 are. So 2 6 are 12 plus 6 table 30 come at 5 are. So answer is 17 by 30. Clear? Now we do F part. F part is 5 and 3 both are prime number that does not come in any table, so you multiply them. 5 3s are 15. Now 5 table 15 come at 3s are, so 4 3s are 12. 3 table 15 come at 5s are, so 2 5s are 10. Answer is 22 by 50. Clear? After F part we do G part. Here in place of plus sign there is minus sign, but LCM will be 12 because 4 and 3 does not come in one table. So you write 12 down. 4 table 12 come at 3s are, so 3 3s are 9. 3 table 12 come at 4s are, so answer come 5 by 12. Clear? Now H, I, J part students you will do. I will do K and L part now for you. Now see in K part they are given in mixed form. So you convert in improper form first. 1 3 is 3 plus 1, 4 by 3, plus 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Clear? Now both are having same denominator, so you plus them. 4 plus 11, answer is 15 by 3. Now it comes in 3 table at 5s, so answer is 5 only. Clear? Now I will do L part for you. L part, again it is a mixed form, you convert it. Answer come 4 3 is 12 plus 2 14, plus 3 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4. Now 3 and 4 does not come in any table, so LCM will be 12. Now you write 12 down. 3 table 12 come at 4s, so 4 into 14 is 56, plus 4 table 12 come at 3s, so answer is 39. Add them. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 plus 3 8, 1. It will be 95 by 12. Clear? Now rest of the part of question 1 will be your homework. Which one part I have not done, that is the homework for you. Clear? Now we do question number 2. Question number 2 is Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. So you write ribbon because the keyword here is ribbon. Ribbon Sarita bought, that is 2 by 5. So you write 2 by 5. Then they said ribbon Lalita bought is 3 by 4. You have to tell what is the total length of a ribbon they bought. Total length of a ribbon they bought, you have to plus them. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Now see, 5 and 4 does not come in any table, so LCM will be 20. Now you write 20 down. 5 table 20 come at 4s, so 2 4s are 8, plus 4 table 20 come at 5s, so 5 3s are 15. Now you add them. 8 plus 15 is 23. Answer is 23 by 20. Means both of them bought 23 by 20 ribbon. With this you put a meter word because the ribbon length is given in meter. Now we do next question. Next question is question number 3. They are saying Naina was given 1 upon 2 pieces of cake. Means fraction of a cake Naina got is 1 upon 2. If I convert it, it will be 3 by 2. Clear? Nazma was given 1 by 3 of ribbon. So it will become 4 by 3 ribbon, cake. You have to tell the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Total means you have to add 3 upon 2 plus 4 by 3. So again 2, 3 does not come in any table. So LCM will be 6. Clear? You write 6 down. Then you see 2 table 6 come at 3s, so answer is 9. Clear? 3 table 6 come at 2s, so it will be 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 by 6 is the answer of it. Clear? Now we do question number 4. Question number 4 is filling the boxes. In A part, box minus 5 by 8 is equals to 1 by 4. How this answer will come? Now you have done in the previous classes also that when we have to find this thing we have to send in another sign. And when we send it, this minus sign will convert it in plus sign. So how you find box is equals to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Clear? Now take out the LCM of it. LCM of 4 and 8. LCM will be 8 only. Now you have to see in 4 table 8 come at 2s, so 2. And 8 table 8 come at 1s, so answer is 7 by 8. In that box what answer come? 7 by 8. Clear? This is the answer. Now we do B part of it. B part is box minus 1 by 5 is equals to 1 by 2. Now this time which number will go there? Minus 5. So you write box is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. Now LCM of 2 and 5 will be 10. Clear? Now 2 table 10 come at 5 and 5 table 10 come at 2 plus them. 5 plus 2 is 7. So answer of B part is 7 by 10. Clear? Now we do C part. C part is half minus box is equals to 1 by 6. Clear? This is the question only. Now we will not send the number that side. We send this box that side. And this 1 by 6 we send this side. So we write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 is equals to box. Now its LCM will be 6 only. 2 table 6 come at 3 so it will be 3 plus 6 table 6 come at 1 it will be, we will minus here because there is a plus and when it goes it will be minus 6. Clear? So we will minus it, minus 1. Answer will be 2 by 6 and cut them. Answer will be 1 by 3. Clear? So students, today we have done exercise 7.6 question 1 to 4, and in that you learn how to add the numbers of a fraction which are having different denominator. Add and subtract also you learn. So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice